Alright, I'm going to hang another piece of sheetrock 10 foot long on the ceiling using the rope ratchets. Last time the ropes were a little unwieldy, so I decided to make a furring strip frame with hinges on it. On the back side I have the similar clamps that I'm going to use to slip through. I beefed up the ends a little bit to be able to take a little bit of an overhang here, a 1/2 inch overhang. And on the bottom I have those strap hinges on each side. So I'm going to screw the hinges onto the ceiling right at the line of the other piece of sheetrock getting into a joist. And I will sling the ropes through those saddle clamps there, and hopefully it will go smoothly. Having the frame completely attached together was a little bit too unwieldy to do by myself. So what I did is I unscrewed that bottom ledge with a 1/2 inch overhang off. And I'll give you a close-up look what I did here. Here's the doubled up end. And then pre-drilled so it doesn't split the furring strip behind, I have the hinge in. Okay, so what the idea is, put the ledge back on here, attach the ropes, and use the rope ratchets. It will be clipped up to the end of the joist there, and then crank it into place. Alright, I got the ropes in place with the rope ratchet up top. Give you a zoom in of what the rope ratchet looks like up there with the saddle clamp. Okay, it's all tied in. Now I can lay the piece of sheetrock in that saddle, lift it up, tighten the ropes so it sits on that ledge, and then I can bring it up into place. I have the piece of sheetrock in the slings of the ropes, and now I'm going to tighten up the ropes until I can have it sit up on that edge and have it lift up the right way. Now after tightening the ropes, I was able to get the bottom to sit inside. The rope should hold that tight while I continue to tighten it and have it go up vertically. Alright, it's in place. Now I just need to adjust my seam where it meets a little bit, make sure it's tight on the side, and I can start screwing it home.